Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to draw the Titan Cameraman. In this video, we will guide you through each stage of the drawing process, so you can master the art of capturing this powerful creature on paper. Let's start by drawing a circle for the Titan Cameraman's head. This will serve as our foundation. Next, add 2 vertical lines within the circle to outline the cameraman's body. Make sure these lines are straight and evenly spaced. Now, let's focus on the cameraman's face. Draw 2 large, circular eyes towards the top of the head. Within each eye, add a smaller circle for the iris, and a dot for the pupil. Next, draw a strong, horizontal line for the cameraman's determined gaze and a curved line for the eyebrow, giving the Titan a serious and focused expression. Moving on to the body, sketch 2 angled lines to create broad shoulders. From there, draw a triangular shape on top for the chest and another below for the abdomen. Don't forget to add smaller details, like buttons or pockets, to give your drawing more character. Now, let's bring the Titan's camera to life. Draw a rectangular shape at the end of one arm, indicating the lens. To add some depth, add a small circle on the surface of the lens. To complete the camera, draw a square shape on the other side of the arm, representing the screen or viewfinder. Finally, add some finishing touches, such as additional details on the cameraman's uniform or shading to create depth. And there you have it, a fantastic drawing of the Titan Cameraman. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw the Titan Cameraman step by step. Don't forget to share your artwork with us and subscribe to our channel for more exciting drawing tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.